Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be going over how to cut the front bumper. Only one way to do this. I've done this trial and error so many times. This is the best way to do it. I have these bumper support mounts that you definitely need if you're going to cut your bumper. These are from JRC Fab. No, it's JC Fab. I'll put the link down in the description. Make sure you hit them up. So this is how this is mounted up in the truck itself. There's already a pre-existing hole there. So what we did was we used the bolts that came with it, with the nylock on the end of it, and the mount directly goes from there to the back side of this. Right now, we've already started here. Gavin has already drilled and put the bolts in already, so now it's supported. And then now we can start cutting through here, and then we'll take off the factory supports from underneath. I can't really show you on the inside here, but this is how it is mounted. So here we have pretty much jagged edges here. We're gonna use the grinder, sand it down, do most of the shaping here, go in with the smaller sander over there, get it all cleaned up. Here is the finished product. As you can tell, we still kept the fender gap here. The easiest way to do this, guys, is to mount the brackets first. Make sure that's all tightened up, then start cutting. So that way you can keep the fender gap the exact same and nothing changes about it. The hardest part is matching up this line. So what was it, like a 4 1/4 all the way around. And then what we did here is radius this corner. It's nothing too crazy of a line. It's very minimal, and I think it's a tasteful way to do it. Tasteful. Other than that, I think it came out really nice. And then, what did you say? You needed the skid plate.
I need that skid plate, man.
Alright, that is it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.